Have you installed these on your back deck yet? I'll show you how. Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Welcome back. This is the Oceanside Guy. My name is Derek and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm gonna do a super simple, fast, quick, easy installation for the back deck. Do you have any of these? Do you know what these are? You just might need these for your back deck. Without further ado, let me show you what's up. Here it is. This is your RIVA Racing Engine Service Cover Washer Upgrade Kit, also known better as your back deck, right? These are specialized washers to go on your back deck. So why would you need them? Why would you want them? I'll let you know right now. So I got the washer upgrade kit all laid out where they would normally go on the back deck. So just check it out. Right? Doesn't that look pretty cool? So each bolt has a customized fitting washer to fit right in there and match where it's supposed to go on the back deck. As you just saw, I laid them all out to the normal spots they would go where the bolts are. How cool is that? Now, I'm actually super excited to put them in there and see what they look like. But before I do that, I just wanted to say thank you to RIVA Racing for sending me the washer kit for the back deck. Super appreciate it. Thank you very much for sending it my way, all the way over here to San Diego, California. Really quick, guys, just a quick 411 on these customized washers for your back deck. So these are stainless steel washers, and as you can tell, they got a really good, nice shine to them. They are Electropolished, which really just kind of has that good, nice finish to it. These are really good too, just for overall maintenance. You know, when you're taking those bolts off, you've got 13 bolts to take off and there's no washers under them. Well, now you have customized washers. So how many times are you gonna take off that back deck all the time and take those bolts out, put those bolts back in, and you keep screwing them back into the hard plastic deck back there? These will help you maintain your back deck quite a bit better and a good upgrade to your back deck. So let's go ahead and put all of these washers on and let's see what it looks like. There's a quick before. And there you go. Anything that you can do to protect your ski in the smallest way, these washers are super beneficial. I think that looks pretty cool, so let's get the rest of them on really quick. And just so you see some of the before shots before the washers are in there, you can tell that the bolts have been in and out a lot over time, and I've had my ski for about 1.5 years so far. Like I said, anything to protect the ski, I'm all for it. All right, guys, I gotta say that when these are in there, they look really good, and it does prevent a lot of wear and tear. When you guys take out these bolts all the time to do your oil changes and any engine work, this is really great. All right, guys, obviously super simple. Anybody could put these on your back deck. You gotta let me know what you think. I think it looks really good. It does add a little bit more contrast to the back deck, so I like it. Thank you, RIVA Racing. So I'm sure you guys are wondering what seadoo that these specialized washer upgrade kit will fit on. I will go ahead and put it right here in the bottom of the screen. You'll see it. Also, check out the description box below. I'll have all the specifications in there for you so you know which seadoo that you can put these on. All right, guys, there you have it. The easiest, the fastest, the quickest basic install on the Sea-Doo GTX 230. Once again, thank you so much to RIVA Racing for sending me the product. I like it. It looks good. All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you thought this video was helpful, if you have any questions at all, put your questions down in the comment section down below, and I will be sure to get back to you ASAP, as I always do. Make sure to share this video to anyone that you might think that they would love to have these customized washers for their back deck. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I know I have to earn your subscription, and if I did that in this video, please go ahead and subscribe below. As you know, it does help the channel grow. And as always, don't forget, make today your absolute best day, because tomorrow just isn't promised. Until next time, I will see you on the water.